Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to transfer from Trust Wallet to Binance. As first stop, go ahead and open up your Trust Wallet, log in and wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead and tap on send right here, tap on it. And then once done, go ahead and select the crypto or crypto asset that you want to send or transfer to Binance. For example, Bitcoin. Okay, let's say you have one Bitcoin right here. So just tap on Bitcoin, okay, and it will ask you for a withdrawal address. So where do we get that? So to get the withdrawal address, let's just go ahead over to Binance right here. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead over to your assets. Now go ahead and tap on add funds. Okay. Now in here, just tap on on-chain deposit. Now, for example, you'd like to transfer again Bitcoin from Trust Wallet. Well, just go and select Bitcoin. And then here you need to choose the network. Okay, for example, you choose BTC Bitcoin right here. Make sure that under Trust Wallet, the network is under BTC Bitcoin as well. Okay, so tap on it, tap on OK right here, and here you have your deposit address. So just copy it. Now go ahead and go back to your Trust Wallet and just paste it on the field where it asks you to do so. Okay, and after that, just enter the amount of Bitcoin that you would like to transfer. And once done, you should be good to go. That is how you transfer from Trust Wallet to Binance. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.